Welcome to Sri Lanka, a tropical island full of spices, coconuts, and unforgettable flavors. Today, we are exploring every delicious aspect of Sri Lankan cuisine. From street food to traditional meals, sweets to local drinks, you'll experience the culture and aroma like never before. The day begins with a hearty traditional Sri Lankan breakfast. Kiribath, milk rice served with lunu miris, a spicy chili paste with onions. Hoppers, crispy bowl-shaped pancakes, sometimes with an egg inside. String hoppers, steamed rice noodles, served with coconut gravy or dal curry. Eating breakfast with your hands allows you to experience all the flavors perfectly. To experience local life, street food is the best place. Kottu Roti, chopped roti mixed with vegetables, eggs, and meat, cooked on a hot plate. Isso Wade, lentil fritters with prawns, crispy fried. Samosa, triangular pastry filled with spicy potato or meat. Akcharu, pickled mango or lime, sour, sweet, and spicy. Street hustle, sizzling pans, and vendors serving create the authentic Sri Lankan street vibe. Rice and curry is the heart of Sri Lankan meals. Red or white rice is served with a variety of curries. Parapu, dal curry with coconut milk. Polo's curry, tender jackfruit curry. Fish ambal TL, sour and spicy fish. Chicken curry, rich and full-bodied. Pol sambal, fresh coconut, chili, lime. Special tip: rice and curry tastes best when mixed properly by hand. Mixing rice, curry, and sambal together lets the spices, coconut, sourness, and heat balance perfectly. After the main meal, traditional sweets include Kavum, oil-fried, golden, soft inside. Kokis, flower-shaped, deep-fried. Pani walalu, fried coils dipped in treacle syrup. Watalappam, steamed pudding made with coconut milk, jaggery, cardamom, and cashews. These sweets are not only delicious but also carry cultural and festival traditions. Refresh with local beverages, king coconut, naturally sweet and hydrating. Herbal drinks, infused with ginger, lemongrass, and cinnamon. Toddy, fermented palm sap, slightly alcoholic. Food in Sri Lanka is more than just taste, it's about culture, family, and community. Meals are often shared communally. Traditional utensils, clay pots, and temple offerings make every bite a cultural experience. Sri Lankan food is rich, vibrant, and unforgettable. From breakfast to street food, main meals to sweets, every flavor tells a story. We hope you enjoyed this flavorful journey. See you in the next adventure.